Hey guys, welcome back. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the bell, share, and comment. Today I'm going to be playing Don't Button. Can I press the button? So I press guys, because that's just how I am. Survive, okay. Skeleton attack. So guys, I guess you buy weapons and stuff as you play. Come on. Ah! Guys, I died. Okay. Dang. Just trying to get this coin. The other coin. Trying to get coins so I can get other stuff. What should I get, guys? I'm gonna get the bang gun when I have enough. I have 10 coins. Woo. Oh, I'm trying to get it. Never mind. Press the button. Woo! Guys, this is actually pretty nice. Ah! Oh my god, guys! Run! This game is actually pretty good. No, guys, don't go. Oh my god. Press the button. Oh, Slenderman, you can... Where is he? Ah! Oh my god. Okay. Okay, so this might be fun. Never mind, it's not fun. Oh dang, we can't be in the game no more. We're gonna survive. Guys, make sure to hit this like button and make sure to hit the button. And if you guys want more of Don't Push the Button videos, make sure to hit like. Keep dying in a row. I'm not that good at this game, guys, so please don't judge. Nobody has any kills? Oh, somebody has 5 kills. Okay. I'm trying to get the gun. I'm trying to get 80. Cinderman. Let's try to survive. Oh, good idea. Go over there. Go in here. Ah, no, not good idea. I'm sorry. Don't pick the wrong color. Oh, I love this. What do I pick? They didn't tell. Oh, this is actually pretty fun. Dang it, guys. Guys, so let's just go in a new server because we got eliminated. So let's go in a new server. What? Fall down the stairs for a reward. Wonder what the reward may be. Is it gonna be death? Aww. Don't go down the stairs. Don't go down.